In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PowerPoint on your laptop. Keeping your software up to date is essential for ensuring you're taking advantage of the latest features, security updates, and bug fixes. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation or just making sure you're working with the most current tools, updating PowerPoint is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together. First things first, let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop if you have it there, or searching for PowerPoint in your Start menu or search bar. Once the application is open, you'll usually land on the opening screen, which displays a variety of templates and recent documents. Now, from the opening screen, choose to open any file. This doesn't necessarily have to be the document you intend to work on. The reason behind this is simple. We're accessing a specific menu that's only available once you've got a document open. So go ahead and click on any recent document or open a new blank presentation to get us to the next step. Once your document is open, let's navigate to the File menu. You'll find this at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will take you to a backstage view where you can manage your PowerPoint file and access various options related to PowerPoint itself. In the File menu, you'll want to click on Account. The account option is typically found towards the bottom of the list on the left-hand side. In the account section, you're provided with information about your product and your account, but more importantly, this is where you'll find your update options. Now look for update options next to the Office Update section. This is a crucial step as it's where you can manage how updates are applied to your PowerPoint application. Click on Update Options, and a small drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. From the drop-down menu, select Update Now. By clicking on Update Now, PowerPoint will start checking for and installing any available updates. This process requires an internet connection, so ensure you're connected to the internet before starting the update. If there are any updates, PowerPoint will begin downloading and installing them automatically. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so be patient. If PowerPoint finds and installs updates, it may prompt you to restart the application or even your laptop to complete the installation process. Make sure to save any work before you proceed with a restart. Once the update is installed, you will have the latest version of PowerPoint running on your laptop, complete with all the new features and security updates Microsoft has released. Here are a few additional tips to ensure a smooth update process. 1. Regularly check for updates to not only PowerPoint but all your Office applications. Keeping all software up to date can help improve security and functionality. 2. If the update process encounters an error, restarting your laptop and attempting to update again can sometimes resolve the issue. 3. In some instances, your Office subscription or your organization's policies may affect how updates are managed. If you find that you're unable to update PowerPoint as described, you may need to check with your IT department or review your Office subscription details. Updating PowerPoint on your laptop is a simple but essential task that helps ensure you have the latest tools and security features at your disposal. We hope this video has helped you understand how to keep your PowerPoint application up to date easily. Remember, staying current with your software updates is crucial for both performance and security, so make this a regular part of your digital routine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.